my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rahat. So as you can see, I have created this super dramatic look, and I have used only high-end products here. So if you want to know how I created this look, then keep on watching. And yeah, I'm really sorry for not being that consistent these days. I have been feeling really weird lately, so that is the reason I am not shooting anymore. And yeah, but I promise I will be posting more often now, and I will be more regular. Yeah, last but not least, do not forget to subscribe to this channel, you guys, if you wish to see such tutorials and much more. Also hit the bell icon for future videos of mine. So give a big thumbs up to this video, you guys. Also, your suggestions are most welcome, and you can definitely comment down below what all you want to see on my channel and what you like and what you dislike. Obviously, I know I have blabbered too much right now, so without wasting any more time, let's get into the video.
Alright, so for moisturizer, I have taken my Embryolys's moisturizer here. This is by far the best moisturizer, you guys. This hydrates your skin like no other. And I'm just gonna apply this thoroughly. And then I've taken my Bobbi Brown's vitamin enriched face base here, and you guys know already how much I love this product, you guys, and I'm just gonna concentrate this on my T-zone along with my face. So because it's summertime and we need more hydration, so I've taken my Smashbox's primer here, primer water here, and I'm just gonna give a nice shower to my face. And then I'm gonna take this Becca's illuminating lotion here. This is a very nice product, you guys. I got it free with my Becca shopping. So yeah, I am just gonna concentrate this on higher points of my face. Now for my brows, I'm gonna take my Anastasia's brow pomade here. This is in the shade dark brown, and here I have taken this spoolie and I will just comb my brows with it. And as usual, I am not gonna show you how I made them. The tutorial is already up on my channel, full in-depth tutorial about my brows, so you can watch that. And yeah, you saw I have taken my Smashbox's foundation here. I will give you all the shade details in the description box, so do not forget to check that out. And here I'm just gonna blend this out, and again I'm gonna skip this part because you know it is time consuming and I just don't want to waste your time here. So I'm just gonna buff this really nicely with my sponge here. And dude, unfortunately, I don't have any high-end concealer, but I've got my best friend here, the Eraser by Maybelline. So I applied that on my face, and I will just blend this out fatafat. Like, I'm not gonna show you this as well. I'm just gonna do it super fast here. Now to set everything in place, I'm going to take my MAC Studio Fix Foundation Plus Compact here, and this is in the shade NC25, and I did not have any loose powder in high end. Actually, I had the Becca one, but I really forgot to use it, so it's okay. We've got MAC here. So as you can see, I'm setting my face thoroughly with the brushes here, and you should be applying the powder thoroughly because it's summertime, you guys, and you don't want your makeup to budge. And that is the reason I'm gonna apply the powder very nicely. And then I'm gonna take my Huda Beauty's Tantor here. This is a cream contour, and I will give you the shade name in the description again, so do check that out. So here I'm applying the Tantor on the usual areas of mine. And then with the help of my angled brush here, I will blend all of this out. Now, I did not have any high-end blush as well. What? So, yeah, here is a little jugaad. So, I've got this Sephora lipstick, which I'm gonna apply on my lips as well later on. So, I just used it as my blush today, and you could see it looks very pretty, and it is in trend actually these days to apply cream blushes rather the powder ones. Now to set everything, I've got my Fix Plus by MAC here, and I will just give a good shower of it on my face. And then for highlighter, I've got my Becca here. I will give you the shade in description as usual. And yeah, I'm gonna apply this on higher points of my face like my cheekbones, my nose, my forehead and chin, and everywhere. And yeah, I'm gonna highlight my brow bones as well with the same highlighter. And then I've got my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette here. And for my bronzer, I'm gonna use that shade which I showed you. So here I'm just gonna give a nice depth to my face with this powder. Alright, so it's time for some eye makeup. So I've taken my Huda Beauty's Desert Dust palette, and you saw which shade I picked up from the palette. And I'm just gonna concentrate that on my crease as a transition shade here. So I've taken a smaller brush first, and then I'm gonna blend this out with the bigger one. Now for the black base, I've got my Inglots gel eyeliner here, and I have taken a stiff brush for that. And I'm just gonna concentrate this on the mid of my lid along with the sides of my lid, and I'm not gonna go up like way too much. I'm just gonna concentrate it way more down, and then I'm gonna blend this out with this brown shade right here. And here, as you can see, I have taken the same brush which I applied the earlier shade with, and I'm gonna blend that black gel eyeliner thoroughly with this shade. Now I'm gonna take this beautiful purple shade from the palette, and I will concentrate that on the areas where I have applied the gel eyeliner. So as you can see, I'm just placing the eyeshadow, and I will just blend the edges out. Now I'm gonna apply the same gel eyeliner on my lower lash line as well, and I will just blend this out with a brush like so. And then I'm gonna take the same purple eyeshadow and blend this out more further. Now I'm gonna put some highlight into my inner corners as well. And here I wore some lashes by Glowmere Beauty, and here is my mascara by Smashbox, and this is called Superfan Mascara, and I'm just gonna coat a little bit with my lashes. And then here I've got my Huda Beauty's lip liner in the shade Trophy's Wife, and I'm gonna line my lips with it nicely. Time for some lipstick, and I've showed you my lipstick earlier, and today I'm gonna apply the lipstick with the help of a brush. So here I will just coat my lips with this lipstick, and yeah, that's all. And now I'm going to take this duochrome, yeah, duochrome kind of a shade, and I will apply that in the mid of my eyelid. And look how beautiful it looks, you guys. This is the final result here. And do let me know in comments down below, how did you like this one, you guys. I will see you in my next one super soon. Till then, take care. I love you guys so much. Bye, guys.